Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren. So today's video is going to be a 2-week update to my hair growth challenge. As y'all know, about 2-3 weeks ago, I posted a video of me doing a length check, and I have about 2 more weeks of this hair challenge to go. So I just wanted to give y'all a little update as to how everything was going, and the length check I'm going to show you on here like I did the last time. And then I'm also going to insert a clip of me just showing y'all a length check from like the vertical view, you know how, yeah. So I'm gonna upload both of those. I have not been doing my hair, like washing my hair every Sunday and styling every Sunday night like I plan to. I still been kind of doing it how I want to do it pretty much. Right now, all I have in my hair right now is the Aloe Rose Hair Milk Night Leave-In Conditioner. That's all I have in my hair right now, and it's still pretty soft. I gotta detangle some more. Tonight, I am gonna be doing a lazy braid out. So that's the style. I'm actually gonna show y'all my hair at the end of the video, so y'all can see how this week went. So far, I've done the flat twist out, and I have done, what else? A perm rod set, and I have tutorials up for both of those, so you check my description box. Those 2 tutorials will be down there, and also all of my hair growth challenge videos. But yes, this is an update to my previous one. Again, tonight, like I just mentioned to y'all, I want to do a lazy braid out. It's going to come out bomb, so stay tuned for that tutorial. Okay, so I got 2 weeks left, meaning I've already taken 2 weeks worth of peels. And one thing I can definitely say is I was very, very consistent for about a week and a half, like literally. And those other days, I would forget to take the peel. So literally consistent for a week and a half. And I took a peel yesterday, but the day before that, I think I forgot. Because my sleep schedule got messed up again and I was trying to fix it. So with me sleeping all crazy, like literally, it was kind of hard for me to, remember to take the peel as well. Y'all are in quarantine just like me, most likely, so y'all know how that is. But that's okay. I'm about to take my peel right now on camera, so I'm gonna do that with y'all right now. So these are the peels. Once again, y'all know I'm doing GROVEDA hair solutions for the month to grow my hair, and this is the Advanced Natural Hair Growth Formula Dietary Supplements. I already told y'all what's the benefits of these, but since this is another update, I guess I'll tell y'all again. It helps support healthy hair growth, supports vibrant skin, and aids in strong nails. And look at my nails, y'all. They have just been growing. I bit this nail off. I had the urge, so I just bit it off. So excuse that. But my nails aren't like, my hands are wet. Like I just washed my hair, but rinsed out my deep conditioner. And y'all know the deep conditioner I use, the organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask. I think that's exactly the name. But as you can hear, I'm taking about half of this freaking bottle. And it's hard to swallow these, so make sure you ate either before or you're about to eat. Or if you can't do any of those, just make sure you have like a whole bottle of water or a whole can of drink, because you want to be able to swallow these. Also, my audio has been acting a little weird, so if the audio sounds weird in this video, I do apologize. And I'm in my room. I'm in front of my doorway, but I have a curtain up, so hopefully this is a good angle. If it's not, I won't do this again, but just for today's video. I have that's all I have left, and I'm going to take it with water. So these are the peels. Oh, they're so big. Okay, so my hair is starting to dry, so I'm gonna step back and I'm gonna show y'all my length check. I don't have like a super supportive bra on today, so I'm trying to make up for it. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this side. Where my brush is? Okay, right there. And the last time I did this, it went about right there. So as you can see, there is some growth. Hopefully my bra isn't making that big of a difference. I hope it's not. But as for right now, in this little sports bra, bang, I got on right now, this is my length. If you have big boobs, you understand what I'm saying. On this side, it's right there. So yeah, that's the length. And like in the front, it's right here. I guess I'll put the very front, huh? It's right there. And then the back, hopefully y'all can see the line this time. Now that new line that y'all see, or the one on the bottom, is the updated one my sister did 2 weeks ago. Because the first line, like I told y'all in that video, was way too high. I don't have an updated line, and I probably won't update that line until like the very end of my Grow Challenge, because that's too much trying to get her to do that for me. Like when I could just wait. So y'all would get like the updated back line at the very end of my Grow Challenge. So it's currently Sunday right now as I'm filming this, and I'm gonna style my hair tonight, and I'm gonna either take my hair down tomorrow or Tuesday. So the last clip that y'all are gonna see after this is of my lazy braid out. I can't wait to give y'all the tutorial on that. I know this is gonna come out so bomb. I'm so excited to do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoy that style when I show it to you. Now, one thing I can say about everything, I'm gonna give y'all a quick update on the peels. My ends do need to be trimmed. That has nothing to do with the peels or anything like that. But it's been a while. I haven't trimmed my ends since January, so I'm in desperate need of a trim. So after my final length check, I will be trimming my hair. So I gotta just keep my ends moisturized until then. GROVEDA is a brand. One of their biggest ingredients is biotin. The hair mask has biotin. The serum has, if I'm not mistaken, and then the other products have other good ingredients. I'm not sure if they have biotin or not. I have to check that out. I'll let y'all know when I let y'all know. But for the peels, it says to support and vibrant skin. I don't do my skincare routine all the time. I'm in front of my light, so. But my skin has been doing okay. I have a little breakout right here, like a little bump, should I say. And I have a couple of little bumps over here, but as a whole, I feel like my skin has been pretty good. You can really see my freckles on my nose and stuff now. Like, my skin has been doing pretty good. I can't like credit that to this. I don't know. Like, I really don't know. I've only been taking them 2 weeks, like I said, so I can't give y'all that. So I don't know about that, but my hair has grown, just as y'all saw. And then also it's aged and strong nails. My nails are a little stronger than they used to be. They used to be very flimsy. If my hands wasn't wet, like if I wasn't just in my hair, y'all would be able to see how strong my nails are. They aren't super strong, but they are stronger than what they used to be. That's just my opinion. Now I will be cutting my nails because I keep scratching myself and my family, and I can't have that. So, but yes, that's the update on everything. For shedding, I know the hair serum promises to stop shedding. I don't know about shedding. I still feel like my hair is shedding about the same amount. I haven't really noticed a difference. And then also, like the fullness of my hair, I haven't noticed a difference. But that's not something I would notice. That's something y'all will actually notice before I notice. So if y'all see my hair looking fuller, let me know. Like, that's something y'all would notice before I would. So, but as for hair growth, my hair is growing. As you see, it's growing. So that's pretty much it for this video. I want to show y'all my lazy braid out. Hopefully y'all like that. So yeah.
Okay, y'all, so this is like a more formal length check video. So as you can see, my hair has grown quite a bit, about 1 inch since the last time I did a length check. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, I did not update the line on the back of my shirt, but the second line you see is the updated one, because if y'all remember in the last video I told y'all my sister got that line very inaccurate. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is longer than that now, so y'all still get the gist. But as you can see, I got some little inches on my head now. It's getting longer again since I cut it in January, so we getting them inches back. So clearly it's working out. And then this right here is my lazy braid out. So if you all enjoyed this update video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.